James PK Sangma Menteri Berkmi yaktanat kakoi kakhya ka sarkar jalau la Kyntait yak jingkynnoh boy donkti bot snar khaïi dewïong beaiñ nagauti Balwant Soni ubalsakam hau rumpang arjar arwar ya new James lawan pau ha bakrena kilat pathai kubor halor ka video bala plape ba da kawai kalat pathai kubor na Assam ha ka step ka trip jemang arja arwar harangkat ka jingkynnoh bo Balwant ulakalau korupati nakakam khaïi dewïong beaiñ ubawan na Meghalaya.
The thing is that it's one thing to throw accusations at people, and it's completely something else to substantiate that with evidence. So accusations fly left and right. We all know that, and there's nothing that I have not seen the video, but whatever it is, I'm very sure is something that we have no involvement, and these are just mere accusations. Yes, absolutely. As we inch closer to the elections, we can expect such kind of more frivolous, activities to increase. Baseless accusations and allegations to keep coming up. Yes.